Hi guys, so I'll show you how the trading indicator 360 work on the live market. So you can go to the tradingview.com. There you can I'm choosing the currency per EURO-USD. So here you can able to see the entry point is 1.0869. The stop loss has been given by the indicator as 1.08582. Same like take profit 1 has been given and take profit 2 has been given and take profit 3 has been given. This is the confirmation to enter the trade. Same like here also you can see the current position is giving the confirmation on the buy. So I'll show you some more charts. I'll show you on the gold market, XAU-USD. So currently it will take some time to load for the indicator. It is getting loaded. It is getting load. Yeah, it is loaded. You can see here it has been given the entry point here. So already take profit 1 has been hit, take profit 2 also hit, and take profit 3 has been already hit the profit. Same like you can see that stop loss has been accurately placed here. The stop loss has been 2295.398. So the entry point has been given already. This market as per this indicator already take profit 1 has been hit already. All the take profit, all the 3 take profit has been hit already. So I'll show on the crypto also. Crypto I am choosing the BTC USDT. Okay, let's see. I'll zoom this one. You can see the entry point has been given on the 66050. See stop loss. You can see accurately has been given the exact point where you want to keep the stop loss. It has been not hit the stop loss. You see exact point has been given here. Same like the indicator has been given that take profit 1 has been given, take profit 2 and take profit 3 has been given. All the 3 take profit has been already hit the profit. Okay. So this I have been showing on the live market. Thank you guys to seeing the trade in the indicators work in the live market.